The fashion world is buzzing. Dior has a new creative leader, Jonathan Anderson. This bold move signals a fresh direction for the iconic house. Anderson is known for his modern, risk-taking designs. His appointment is a surprise, but his talent is undeniable. Dior, with its rich history, is ready for a new era. Anderson's task-honored tradition while pushing boundaries. Fashion fans and critics are eager for his first collection. What will it look like? The world is watching. Dior is a global name, loved by millions. Anderson must keep that love alive and bring in new fans. It's a delicate balance. Respect the past, shape the future. All eyes are on Anderson as he steps into Dior's spotlight. In the ever-evolving world of high fashion, certain names resonate with an undeniable force. Who is Jonathan Anderson? Born in Northern Ireland in 1984, a land of rolling hills and vibrant cities, he first dreamed of acting, captivated by the stage and the art of transformation, before discovering the captivating world of fashion. He honed his skills and refined his vision, studying menswear in the bustling metropolis of London, quickly making his mark with innovative designs and a fresh perspective. In 2008, fueled by ambition and a unique creative spirit, he launched JW Anderson, instantly recognized for playful, thought-provoking designs that challenged conventions and captured the imagination of the fashion world. He fearlessly expanded into womenswear, further solidifying his reputation as a visionary designer, challenging old ideas and pushing the boundaries of traditional aesthetics. He blurred the lines between different creative disciplines, seamlessly blending art with fashion to create truly unique and captivating pieces. Since 2013, he's skillfully led Loewe, breathing new life into the brand and steering it towards unprecedented success. He has been transforming the Spanish brand with a renewed focus on craft and innovation, elevating its status in the luxury market. His remarkable success at Loewe definitively proved he could revive heritage houses, breathing new life into established brands. Now, with the weight of expectation on his shoulders, he takes on Dior, a giant in the industry, a symbol of timeless elegance and unparalleled luxury. Anderson is known for his unwavering dedication and hard work, pushing himself and his team to achieve the extraordinary. He possesses a clear vision and a talent for storytelling, weaving narratives into his collections that resonate with audiences worldwide. He possesses a keen understanding of what people want to wear, anticipating trends and creating pieces that are both desirable and wearable. He also understands how to make a brand feel alive, injecting it with energy, relevance, and a distinct personality. His journey from the rugged landscapes of Ireland to the glamorous streets of Paris is nothing short of remarkable, a testament to his talent and determination. He's not afraid of challenges, embracing them as opportunities for growth and innovation. Anderson's extensive experience in both menswear, with its emphasis on tailoring and functionality, and womenswear, known for its fluidity and expressive silhouettes, makes him uniquely prepared for the multifaceted role at Dior. He's ready to write a new chapter for Dior, infusing the iconic brand with his own distinctive vision and creative energy. The entire industry is watching his every move, eager to witness the next evolution of this legendary fashion house under his direction. Dior is vast, haute couture, ready-to-wear menswear, accessories, beauty. In the past, different creative leads meant mixed messages. Now, one creative director, Anderson, will guide all lines. This unified vision brings clarity and strength to the brand. Customers will see a connected story from dresses to lipstick. It's a modern approach, rare in Dior's history. LVMH's trust in Anderson is a major vote of confidence. He must create a story that works for all of Dior worldwide. The challenge appeal to diverse customers, keep the brand cohesive. When all products share a vision, Dior stands out. The industry is eager to see how Anderson unites it all. This is a turning point for Dior. At the helm of the iconic House of Dior stands Delphine Arnault, the esteemed CEO. Her leadership is steering the brand into a new era, one that respects its rich heritage while embracing the future of fashion. Arnault warmly welcomes Jonathan Anderson, the newly appointed creative director, into the Dior family. This marks a pivotal moment for the brand, a fusion of established legacy and fresh perspective. She expresses her admiration for Anderson, praising his exceptional talent and unique vision, qualities that have already made him a standout figure in the industry. She highlights his remarkable success at Loewe, where he has masterfully blended tradition with innovation, creating collections that resonate with a modern audience. Anderson's ability to respect heritage while simultaneously making it feel entirely new and relevant is a testament to his creative genius. He understands the importance of honoring the past while boldly stepping into the future. Arnault firmly believes that Anderson's broad and encompassing view, his ability to see beyond the immediate trends, is precisely what Dior needs to continue its reign as a global fashion leader. His knack for connecting fashion with art and the broader spectrum of culture makes him the ideal candidate to elevate Dior to even greater heights. It's exactly the kind of vision Dior needs to thrive in today's world. Dior is far more than just clothes. It transcends mere garments. It's a cultural symbol, a representation of elegance, sophistication, and timeless style that has shaped the fashion landscape for decades. She has high expectations for Anderson, anticipating that he will infuse the brand with a renewed sense of creativity and groundbreaking innovation. Anderson himself expresses that joining Dior is not just a job, but a profound honor, as he openly admires its unparalleled history and its unwavering boldness in pushing the boundaries of fashion. He draws deep inspiration from the indelible legacy of Christian Dior, the visionary founder who revolutionized the fashion world, and he conveys that he is absolutely ready and eager to embrace the challenge that lies ahead, approaching it with confidence and determination. Anderson's vision, to create a Dior that resonates with both today's sensibilities and the aspirations of tomorrow, is one that is inclusive, consistently surprising, and remains undeniably true to the fundamental codes of the house. Above all, he expresses a strong desire to push the boundaries of what fashion can be and to tell compelling stories that connect with audiences on a global scale, transcending cultural differences. Both Arnault and Anderson are aligned in their vision and share high hopes and great expectations for this exciting new era at Dior. Their partnership signals a carefully considered and ambitious plan to further solidify Dior's position as a leader in the luxury fashion world. With his talent and vision, Anderson is undoubtedly poised to make a significant and lasting mark on the House of Dior. The entire fashion industry is buzzing with anticipation, sensing the dawn of a new and exciting creative chapter for the iconic brand. The future of Dior is now firmly in the hands of a true visionary, a designer with the potential to redefine luxury fashion for a new generation. The fashion world, along with devoted Dior enthusiasts, eagerly awaits his first collection, anticipating a glimpse into his creative vision. The excitement is palpable and building at every level, from the ateliers to the front rows, as the industry anticipates the unveiling of Anderson's Dior. To truly understand the significance of Dior today, to grasp its enduring allure and influence, we must look back to 1946, a pivotal moment in history and fashion. Paris was emerging from the shadows of war, yearning for beauty and renewal. It was then that Christian Dior, a visionary with an unwavering belief in the power of elegance, founded his house. He established his atelier as Paris recovered from the devastation of war, a beacon of hope and creativity in a city rebuilding itself, brick by brick. In 1947, Dior unveiled his revolutionary New Look, a collection that brought a renewed sense of femininity and optimism to a world craving beauty. This groundbreaking collection redefined silhouettes and proportions, changing fashion forever and ushering in a new era of glamour. Almost overnight, Dior quickly became a global star, his designs gracing the covers of magazines and adorning the world's most stylish women. He was instrumental in reviving elegance and luxury, reminding the world of the transformative power of beauty and impeccable craftsmanship. Beyond clothing, he created exquisite perfumes, fragrances that captured the essence of his designs, and expanded his brand worldwide, establishing a global empire. Through his vision and talent, Dior played a crucial role in making Paris the fashion capital again, solidifying its position as the epicenter of style and innovation. Though Dior's life was tragically cut short and he died in 1957, his impact on the world of fashion remains immeasurable. Despite his untimely passing, his legacy endured, carried forward by a succession of talented designers who shared his passion for beauty and innovation. Legendary designers, each with their unique vision, like Yves Saint Laurent, who began his career at Dior, stepped in to continue his work. Later, John Galliano, known for his theatrical flair, and Maria Grazia Chiuri, the first woman to lead the house, each brought their distinct perspectives. These creative directors and others have skillfully led Dior since Christian Dior's death, each adding their chapter to the house's storied history. Throughout its history, the house has consistently stood for French chic, embodying the effortless elegance and sophistication that defines Parisian style. It is also synonymous with exceptional craftsmanship, a commitment to the meticulous artistry and skill that goes into creating haute couture, and of course innovation, a willingness to push boundaries and explore new ideas while remaining true to the house's core values. With each collection, Dior has always set trends and led the industry, shaping the direction of fashion and inspiring designers around the world. Now, Jonathan Anderson steps into this rich history, inheriting a legacy built on creativity, craftsmanship, and a relentless pursuit of beauty. He inherits a powerful legacy, a heritage that spans decades and encompasses some of the most iconic designs in fashion history. He also inherits a strong foundation, a well-established brand with a loyal following, and a reputation for excellence. The story of Dior is about more than clothes. It's a narrative woven with dreams, aspirations, and the pursuit of timeless beauty. Ultimately, it's about vision and leadership, the ability to inspire and guide a brand through changing times while staying true to its core identity. Anderson's challenge is clear: honor the past, respect the traditions, and preserve the legacy of Christian Dior. But he must also build the future, innovate, and create designs that resonate with a new generation of fashion lovers. In this endeavor, Dior's history is not a constraint, but its greatest strength, a source of inspiration and a testament to the enduring power of vision and creativity. Jonathan Anderson's appointment is bold. He's known for creativity and breaking old rules. He experiments with shapes and ideas, bringing an artistic, intellectual touch. This could refresh Dior and attract a younger audience. Leading two major LVMH houses is rare. If he focuses solely on Dior, it shows immense trust. Anderson's youth and modern outlook are big assets. He connects with today's culture and communicates well online. Dior needs a leader who speaks to the now. Anderson fits perfectly. His experience in both menswear and womenswear is ideal for a unified Dior. He's not just a specialist, he's a complete designer. This makes him uniquely qualified for Dior's new direction. LVMH's choice is strategic and forward-thinking. Anderson's vision could redefine Dior for a new era. The fashion world is watching closely. What changes might Anderson bring? Expect more artistic shapes and unexpected silhouettes. He loves craft and texture. Look for handmade details and innovative fabrics. Dior could become more modern, edgy, and approachable, yet still luxurious. Anderson often blends art into his work. Stores and shows may feel like art experiences. Marketing could shift to more artistic, thought-provoking campaigns. He might choose surprising faces for Dior, keeping the brand fresh. For Dior men, expect bold creativity and a stronger connection to womenswear. Anderson's unified vision will make the brand feel more connected. The whole Dior world could feel new and exciting. Customers will notice the difference. A transformation is on the horizon. Anderson faces a huge challenge. Dior is global with a vast audience and deep history. He must balance respect for tradition with bold innovation. Leading all lines, haute couture, ready-to-wear, menswear, accessories, beauty, requires energy and vision. He'll need a strong team and relentless organization. The pressure is intense, but so is the opportunity. Anderson can redefine Dior for a new generation. If he succeeds, he'll become a legend. LVMH's support gives him freedom to take risks and innovate. This is a rare chance to shape fashion history. Anderson's creativity could push Dior to new heights. The future is full of potential. All eyes are on what comes next. Anderson's arrival at Dior is more than a new hire. It's a new mindset for the brand. One visionary will now shape the entire Dior universe. Anderson's history of revitalizing brands sets high expectations. We can expect bold ideas, new shapes, and fresh storytelling. Dior will likely feel more current and influential. This change matters for Dior and the whole fashion world. Anderson could set new trends and redefine luxury. Dior has a chance to inspire and connect with new audiences. The next few years promise excitement and transformation. With Anderson in charge, anything is possible. The world waits to see Dior's next chapter unfold.